Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you another New York session ICT strategy. This is insane. You have never seen something like this before. I can already guarantee that. And I'm going to give you the set rule information plan into actually trading this and becoming profitable with it. No one has taught this on YouTube before, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. It's unlike anything else. It's also a mechanical strategy, so it can help you actually get the real trades for the strategy, not like a non-mechanical strategy where sometimes you don't know what you're doing, sometimes you have to check different time frames. No. Set mechanical. I'm going to tell you everything in this video. So the first thing we have to do is we have to actually align the trading pairs we have to trade the strategy on. So the best pairs to trade the strategy on is GBP/USD, EUR/USD, US30, and actually NAS100. US30, no one really talks about that when trading ICT. However, US30 works so well with the strategy right over here, especially NAS100 also. However, I'm going to show you on GBP/USD some examples today. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is the time frame. So the time frames you're going to trade the strategy on is you're going to trade this on these time frames right over here. As you can see, the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, and the 1-minute time frame. You're going to utilize these three time frames, nothing else. You're not going to trade daily bias, anything like that. You don't need a daily bias for this because you're going to execute on the 1-minute time frame. You wouldn't really need daily time frame if you're going to execute on the 1-minute time frame, if you understand what I mean. And then how you're going to actually execute your trades is you're going to use order blocks and FVGs, and you're going to combine that with liquidity in order to actually increase your win rate. Once that happens, you're going to make a ton of money in these markets. So the next thing which we need after this is the timings that you're going to trade this. Okay, so here are just some of the timings right over here. As you can see, we're going to trade this on the New York Open, which is at 12:30 p.m. This is not the New York Open. This is 30 minutes before the New York Open. However, we're going to trade it at 12:30 so you can get ready and position ourselves for the market all the way to 3:30 p.m. UK time. And if you're going to be in New York, it's going to be 7:30 a.m. all the way to 10:30 a.m. This 3 hours, I know you might think is a lot and you want that time freedom. However, at the start you have to put in the hard work, and then later on you can start adjusting your strategy a little bit to make it easier. Okay, so the next thing which we need to do is we need to have a little checklist, which is right over here. So as you can see, the checklist is that the 15-minute time frame is to sweep some sort of liquidity. So for example, we go in the 15-minute time frame. What happens right over here is that we get this liquidity region right there, right? And then what we have to do is then price has to take out the liquidity, and then we're going to have to wait for a 15-minute tap into a PD array. So it has to happen in our trading time, by the way. So this PD array right here, what a PD array is it's just a point of interest at the end of the day, really and truly. As soon as it taps into there and it also took out this liquidity, there you go, it taps into the PD array. As soon as this happens, the entry model is completely different to anything you've seen before. You're going to go on the 5-minute time frame, and then you're going to wait for a bullish engulfment candle just so you can actually increase your win rate. If you don't wait for that 5-minute candle in order to bullish engulf, it's not going to be a big win rate, or bearish engulf, of course, if you're looking for sells. It's not going to be a big win rate. However, if you wait for that to happen, it's going to be, your win rate's going to skyrocket. The next thing you're going to do is you can look for two types of entries. You can look for market structure shift with displacement. However, you don't need to necessarily have that. You can wait for 2 bullish engulfment candles on the 1-minute time frame, and you can enter your trade almost straight away. I promise your win rate is absolutely incredible with this strategy right over here. And then where you can enter from is the extreme 1-minute FVG, or again, you can wait for the double bullish engulfment candles and then you can enter. And then where you're going to target is opposing liquidity. Your stop loss is going to be the above the high or the low. So for example, entry right over here, let's just say we got a bearish engulfment candle, market structure shift with displacement right over here. Your stop loss is going to be below or low, where you're going to target opposing liquidity. It's very easy. Let me show you some chart examples which will help you understand the strategy fully. And finally, it's a very nice strategy, something you've never seen before. Okay, so let's get straight into it. But just quickly, if you want me to pass your profit challenge for you guaranteed in under 30 days, or you get your money back and what you paid to fund the challenge, plus an extra $100 for us wasting your time, link in the description below. We can also manage your account after passing. I will use my automated bot, so link in the description below in order to have access to that. We've literally helped so many people get a payout. I haven't been on YouTube ever. However, my private clients, which I actually manage their account for, have actually got big payouts with us by joining us. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Link in the description below for that. It will certainly change your life. And we do the cheapest prices, the most reliable, and the fastest in the entire prop firm niche in space. So anyway, we're going to wait for our trading time to hit. The first thing we do, 15-minute time frame. Now let's wait for a PD array tap. As you can see, we haven't got one yet. However, there is a PD array right over here. As you can see, this right over here, this really nice point of interest. Why? It's because this is FVG combined with this entire zone, really. FVG, order block. It's perfect. Okay, so now we go down to the 5-minute time frame. As soon as price tapped into that, did we have a bearish engulfment candle? As you can see, this red candle, bearish engulf this green candle. So yeah, that's perfectly fine. 1 minute time frame. Okay, as you can see, what you can do is you can wait for the 5-minute bearish engulfing candle, but let's just say you didn't wait for that. What you can wait for is something like this. So go on the 15-minute time frame, PD array, tap into it, 1 minute time frame. Now wait for 2 bearish engulfing candles right over here, as you can see, and then you can enter your trade right over here. Okay, 1 bearish engulfing candle, second one, get into your trade. This is what you can do, and the win rate absolutely skyrockets, as you can see. But if you did wait for that 5-minute bearish engulfing candle right over there, as you can see, price doesn't actually go up all the way to the FVG right over here, and it doesn't tap into your entry, which is completely fine. You just gotta leave the markets alone, you know. So if you did miss that, as you can see, market has another market structure right over here. Market has another imbalance. This is a very choppy example. However, I don't want to always show you the best trade, because I'm a real trader here to actually give you realistic expectations. Of course, you can't always go from 1 to 100, 1 to 30, 1 to 40, 1 to really and truly don't. You can't argue. You can't argue. Way better example than this. So let me just skip price all the way to there. As you can see, there you go, price taps into price taps. Is this actually, but yeah, whatever. As you can see, price taps into this PD array right over here. It might be trading VP, who knows. As soon as it taps into this, go down to the 5-minute time frame, bearish engulfing candle. We haven't got one yet. As you can see, this green candle does this. If you don't want to wait for your bearish engulfing candle, that's fine. Wait for 2 bullish engulfing candles. As you can see, there's one right over here. This green candle bullish engulfs this previous green candle, and then we get another one right over here. You can enter your trade right there. But just quickly, if you want to actually learn more into trading, link in the description below. $34.99 lifetime for my mentorship program. It's the cheapest you'll see. I don't want to charge thousands of dollars, because not everyone has that, especially traders. Most traders come from different countries, and you would need some money to make a lot of money. But with my mentorship below, you will make a lot of money out of it. Tens of that. However, now I do want to help other people. So $34.99. I'm not charging you that. I'm not charging you that. We're gonna wait for that. Gonna wait. Me, I don't know why my audios keep on cutting up. Sorry for that. And then yeah, so what you're gonna do is you can go down to the 1 minute time frame. Let's wait for that. And where's the extreme FVG? The extreme FVG is right here, and this FVG hasn't actually been filling with all of its might and strength. So again, hasn't been filled up to 50%. So I would still call this a valid FVG. There you go, tapped into entry, and it goes straight away from this. And again, very easy, very nice strategy. Again, if you want to learn 2 way better strategies than this, link in the description below. Do not miss out. It's on offer right now, $34.99 lifetime. And if you do want your Profit Firm Challenge Pass, link in the description below again. Cheapest prices you'll ever see, fastest, most reliable. Again, if you fail, you get every penny back, including an extra $100 for us actually failing your challenge. So I hope you all enjoyed, and hopefully you learned something, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good day, everyone.